Thank you so much for the contribution that you have given, like Boa Home. For all along, they were not having any work to do. But because of the contribution that Amigo have given, as a result, it makes them to be very busy. Youth, they are busy laying break in this season because they are aiming at their future to be brighter in the nearby future. Thank you so much, Amigo, for their effort. And he said, if by all means their life will get changed economically, after laying the break, they are going to generate a lot of income which will bring change in their life. Because of this, he also extends appreciation to Amigo again. Thank you. What is your name?
Chana Patrick.
Chana is called Chana Patrick. Thank you.